What's going on, everyone? Been a little bit. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go ahead and subscribe because this is just amazing content. Alright, so today we're going to unbox and look at the Rocky Talky. So I jumped in on the pre-order for the 5-watt Rocky Talky. So it came in today. I want to open it up. We're going to unbox it, kind of set it up here because I did buy the clip with the carabiner and all that BS because I wanted the whole fucking shebang. I got it in the box right there. I'm going to open it up. We're going to go over it. I'm going to look at it and I'll give you guys an idea of what it's like. I just like the concept of it. It's like super rugged. Let me give you a little bit of, so line of sight is up to 35 miles plus. So imagine that, that's pretty dope on a little rocket. You know, IP67, 22 plus 8 repeater channels. You're also gonna get 121 of the codes, the CTSS and the DCS. I'm looking at this on the computer. I don't remember any of this stuff. You're talking battery life of 4 to 6 days. That was my biggest kicker right there. I'm using the older Midlands. Let me see if I got one. Let me see if I have one in here because I got like 4 of them lying around. I'm constantly trying to charge them. There it is. I got one. Here's one, right? This is what I'm using. That I have been using for many years now. It's the GXT Midlands. My issue with these is like sometimes they just kind of drop, I guess, because they're getting old, and also like it'll tell me that it's fully charged, and then I go play with it for like 2 minutes, and then it's dead and it doesn't work, which is rather frustrating. And all 4 of them are kind of doing that right now. It's like gone past and worn out their life. So when I saw this came up, and I was like, yo, that's dope. I want that 5-watt. So battery life on that's supposed to be really good. There's a couple different things that you could buy with it. That I think I got. So I definitely hooked up. I like that carabiner that they had on their like 2 or 3-watt one. So I was like, yeah, I'll buy the kit to put it on this one. I thought it was dope. And I got the little handheld one. So it can look super cool and like super pro when you hook it up somewhere. And then you're like, yeah, what's up, dude? Raj. So let me open this up. I'm going to stop talking. Get 2 stickers. FedEx pack. See what I got in here. I don't know what that is. And I got this guy. And then I got the radio. And yeah. Alright, let's dump that out of the way over there. Alright, so let's start. Stickers are dope. Let's start with this. What's this? Oh, so this is the little carabiner kit. So the 5-watt doesn't come with the carabiner like the 2-watt does. They have a 2-watt and a 5-watt. This is the 5-watt. Yeah, I got made fun of the other day for unboxing and how I destroy boxes, and I'm terrible at it, yeah. So this little kit is going to basically screw into the back of the radio, and that way you can have your carabiner on there. So we'll get into that today. This is the mic. So what I did was, oh man, that's nice. Oh, I like that. I like that positive click. I like that. I like that. It clicks and you feel it. It's not just like a little touch. Well, that's interesting. Look at the way it connects that. So you're not going to lose a connection and it screws in. I like that. Damn, I like that. Because all these, when you connect the mic to this one, right? It's just a plug-in. Sometimes they will unplug, which kind of gets a little, oh, that's off. It's a little annoying. I like the way that connects. And it's got that clip. Damn. It's a nice clip. It says there, push your limits. I even like this color. Dude, good stuff. Rocky Talky on the colors. Alright, so that was the mic. Each one of these is okay. So let me, before we go any further, I know I'm all over the place, man. I haven't done a video in so long. I've been so busy doing stuff around the house. My second daughter is looking for a car, so I'm all over the place right now. Let me start off with this. So this kit right here, let me see if I can get you to where to buy this little guy. So this kit is 15 bucks. So you got the radio, right? And, you know, if you want this is 15. The waterproof handheld mic for the 5-watt is 65. So this is 65 bucks right here. It's up to you if you want to buy it or not. I thought it was dope. I like it. I'm gonna give it a shot. That's that. And then the radio. Let's jump into this radio. Yeah, you see my hands are dirty just working around the house. Oh, look at that. Just open that up. A little Jimmy Choo red. Oh, that is, oh, I like how heavy that feels. Oh, that's nice. Dude, this has to outweigh this by like half the weight at least. Damn. That feels nice. I like that. Yeah, that looks good. All right, what do we got in here? So here's the rest of the box right in here. You're gonna have, there's your wall box, charging port, and it looks like a, man, that's a, is that a USB? I'm not good with these USBs. I think that's a USB-C, which is what we want these days, right? All the young kids are going to USB-C. Oh, nice. And you get a little hook. Since you lose everything, if you were in the military, you know how amazing these things are. Dude, that's fantastic. And get a longer antenna. Oh, and it's a softie too. Perfect. It's not a hard one. I like that. You get your guide. So you got all your, like, you know, your NOAA weather channels and all that. Your buttons on how to do anything. Like the display looks pretty dope too. Yeah, I like this. All right, so let me put the boxes off to the side here for a second. Let's go ahead and set all this up for you just real quick. So the first thing that I want to do, yeah, this is dope. Even this, look at the headset. The way the headset is set up, you got to unscrew it to get in there. That's awesome. Let me go get some screws real quick. What are these little guys? That's definitely a tiny little. So we got a Phillips that we need and a flat. Let's go get them. So my daughter bought a Halloween costume. It was like a construction worker, and it came with like some real tools. Hilarious. I'm gonna pop these real quick. So look, if you guys wanted to keep this, you could, which is, I like that option. You can just put this on here and it works. Well, I wanted the carabiner just because honestly, I thought it looked cooler. So it looks like, oh yeah, that's kind of dope. You see how it has that center spot in the center there? It kind of will like a detent to put it in there, and then it kind of comes over the top just like that. And I like that the screws that come with the carabiner are black. There it is. We're getting there. Nice. Perfect. And it should hook on the bottom just like that. Ooh, I like that. And then, let me see before I say it. Oh, so you can go top or bottom. Like that. Alright. That's pretty dope. We like it. Alright. Let's do antenna now if you want. So the antenna is just going to kind of grab it and unscrew it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Alright. Nice. Like that too. Alright, let's pop off. Little connection saver here with a screw. Alright, so we have to, so when you're looking at this like this, right? Here's the screw. You got a little lip right here. Lip is gonna hook into that spot. You're gonna bring that down. This little hook is gonna hook into the front there. Just like this. You wanna make sure to get it all the way in there to make sure those contacts are touching. Once you have it, start screwing it in. Perfect. Nice. Now, essentially what you can do, right, is you're gonna attach this anywhere on your gear that you want, right? And then you got this guy. So a lot of times what you'll see, well, you know, when we used to do back in the day, you're gonna be tucked in somewhere on the bottom, and then this kind of running up through your gear. Obviously, it ain't gonna happen when we're out here having fun, but anywhere up here you can click it, so that way you have it, you know, nice and easy. Let's see if it has power. Nice, look at that. It does have power. So I'm on channel 22. So it looks like, and then if you look here, you see your up and down. I wonder, is that channel or is that volume? All right, so that's volume. All right, well, let's read the freaking instructions. Nice, so they both work. That's kind of cool too. So let's say you grab this instead. Still works, even though you're on the radio, like that. Oh, This works on volume too. So you can change volume here in case you have this one tucked. That's kind of dope. Now I just gotta figure out how to change the... Oh, this is locked right now. So let me hold this right now because I think it's locked. Alright. So, I'm gonna push the tug to push speed volume up, volume down. Push forward, forward for 2 seconds. So your channel button is right up here, and the way I like the way they did it, it wasn't a button, it's a slide forward or slide back. I'm gonna let you flip through the channels. If you hold it forward for 2 seconds, like let's say I'm on channel, we normally rock 18, right? So let's just say we're on channel 18, you wanna lock that channel in, you would just push it forward for 2 seconds. See that lock that come up? Now you're locked on channel 18. It's not back. So you wanna unlock it, you're going to just push it forward again for 2 seconds. Lock came off. Now when you hit this, it's gonna run through the channels. Perfect. If you hold it back for 2 seconds, I think that's when it will look through. Let's make sure. If I hold it back for 2 seconds, I think that's when it scans the weather channel. So I'm gonna hold it back. So it's just it starts scanning all the channels. All right, nice. Hold it back again. We're back up. Perfect. And I like that. And just so you know, that CT, those are the privacy codes. When you want to change those codes, you would just get over to there. Channel flipper to select. Oh, so it'll flip between, like, let's say you lock in 2 channels. If you have like a group, let's say you have a group that's split up with a bunch of people. Some people are on channel 18, some people are on channel 15. You can easily jump back to like from 18 to 15 with that one button. Yeah, I like this a lot. Man, this feels nice though. I love the way that it feels in your hand. I like the color and everything. Oh yeah, this is cool. What else am I missing? So let's get to the weather. So volume up, hold until, let's see. Use channel flipper to manually set channel and press any button. Oh. So if you hold the volume button up, let me see, it'll pick up the weather.
Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
You hit it again. So volume button up. It'll kind of scan, so it picks up the weather.
Tuesday night, considerable cloudiness. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Nice. It stays. If you hit the channel again. Nice. So once you hit the button to talk, it removes itself out of the weather, that's dope. Roger, roger. Yeah, I like this. The only thing I'm looking at is, oh, I see. Once you hit the button to talk, the battery life will come up. So it came full charge, which is dope. Guys, this is dope. I'm like, so imagine I have 4 of these, right? With big charging bases and everything else. So now, essentially, I don't have to carry my charging bases. I don't have to carry all 4 of these. I got this guy, right? And this little guy, which is perfect. And even if, you know, if you want, like, I don't know how you guys set your gear up. Like, I have a bag that's just electronics. And what I'll end up doing is I'll put a piece of tape on this saying, hey, that this is what this is for. So you can either go USB or a plug-in. You know, half of us that are outside and spend a lot of time out there have, you know, all of these in there. So I don't know, guys. I think it's worth it. It is pricey. There's no way around that. But how many of these, you know, have you guys bought throughout the course of your life? And this is not 5 watts. This is 5 watts, and this is awesome. Cool. If you guys have any questions for me and anything else, let me know. Rocky Talky, you guys killed it, man. This is nice. This is real nice. All right, guys. You guys be good. Stay safe out there. Yo, passenger, slide passenger, slow, slow. Nice. Nice. Yeah, yeah. Bring it, bring it. Nice.